Okay, hi Zafira.
Hello, sir.
Sindhu joining? Sindhu joined already.
Sir, I'm here, sir.
Okay, sure. Just give me a couple of minutes. Okay. See, when you do a git clone, if you get into a problem, what you need to do is just do a pwd and then correct. Now, if you do a git pull and then if it is failing,
Yes, sir, actually.
okay, what you do is just come out of this folder, cd dot dot. You can also do it with a single line. Rm, can you do a control or git clone? Git clone. So you have a all docs DevOps Git, right? So
Yes.
you can press left arrow and control A. You already there. Okay. You can do rm dash rf. Rm dash rf. All tab. Yeah. Remove the slash in the end. Put a semicolon after a space character. Semicolon. Give a space so that it is clear that your commands are separated by space character as well. After the before the semicolon also put a white space character. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to run two different commands in the single line. Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah, okay, sir.
In the
It's
end,
clear.
you can put a comment, control E. You can just go to the end, give one white space character, and then put a hash, and then say remove and recreate all docs DevOps. Recreate all docs DevOps. Okay. So you can simply enter now for now. This is the easiest way of overcoming the git clone issue. Normally it is not the right way, but it is one of the shortcut.
Okay, sir.
And especially if you are not doing any work on this particular repository or any of the repository in which you are not doing anything, but you're just doing a git pull.
Okay, sir.
Okay, now if you at any point in time, if you want to run the same command, do a control R, remove control R, and then use the remove which you typed in the comment, right? That will automatically match this particular command.
Got it, sir.
Sequence of commands. Everybody is clear? Sindhu, Vidya.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Vidya, is it clear to you?
Yes, Shankar, yes.
Okay, fine. I'm just a little worried, whether you are not able to, everybody is not able to just pick up the speed, especially with respect to Linux commands. Is it true or you are comfortable, very comfortable with that? Okay, I'll repeat the question. Are you feeling comfortable running these basic Linux commands, especially when I ask you to do some hash and run it in the back, run it using the control R uh, with a semicolon? Are you comfortable or not comfortable?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We are comfortable with that, sir.
So, anyone facing problems? Anyone facing difficulties?
Not much, Shankar. Not
Okay.
much. Indeed.
That's a good sign because this is one of the basic skill or prerequisite skill which is required for a DevOps engineer. You should be very much comfortable with respect to command line.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Now just follow the steps whatever is given in the chat after going to your Docker cube, this one, and then try to do it. I'll just see you how you're doing. Just please follow the same steps.
Shankar, I'm not able to create access key and secret key. I don't find that option here. So
No, that's
after.
why I asked Shweta or anyone. Uh,
Mhm.
I think
Actually,
all,
I shared that in group with you.
Okay, okay, let me check. Thank you.
yeah. All of you can use the same access key and secret key. The only thing is, you should modify your .tf file so that you create only one instance. If everybody creates two instances, it'll just exit the limit. So for now, don't go with repo creation in GitLab. Just go with only copying the repository to your local machine, to your local folder, and then just modify only whatever is required. Hope you are getting what I'm saying.
So we don't want to run that new repo.sh code, sir.
Yeah,
For
we don't need to run the new repo.sh because I mean it'll take another 5-10 minutes extra
sure.
troubleshooting things. You can do it offline. What you do is only do a cp minus r to your local folder, different folder, exactly the same way that I have created.
Okay, sir.
Sindhu, Shweta, Zafi, you are able to follow, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the first step you need to do, Sindhu, after git clone?
Sir, we have to, yeah, AWS configure, we have to run it and paste the private key in public.
Okay, good. After that, what do you need to do? What is the profile name that you should give?
Code cloud.
Yeah, code cloud. So maybe Soumya, you can show that to everyone. If one of you is not clear, probably if everyone is very clear on that, it is well and good. Vidya is already using it as a default profile, and she should also configure it as a code cloud so that I mean the configuration that I have done is working. It's okay, Shweta. I mean, you don't need to go to GitLab. Sorry.
Shankar, should we need to create this new repo using EC2 Cloud Tom from, right? The third
Correct.
step that you have done. Okay.
Do one thing. Soumya, can you please go back to your Git bash? Okay. Do a pwd. Go one step back. Cd dot dot. Yeah, just make sure you run AWS configure dash dash profile control R dash dash code cloud. Okay. He was right. So you just need to run this command to configure your code cloud profile, and you just need to paste your access key and secret key here.
Other way is also fine, right? AWS, inside the AWS credentials,
If
I
if
can
you
do the
have
same.
your code cloud profile, then it is okay. If you have not created a code cloud profile, then you are supposed to do this.
Mm.
Yeah, this is fine. This is fine. Yeah. Just do a cat tilt slash dot AWS slash credentials. Yes. So you should see, apart from your default, you should see one more profile which is created like code dash cloud. The same thing should be available in your .config file also. I mean, .aws config file also. Okay. Is that clear now? Does everybody have this file?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Vidya, you have it, right? No?
Yes, Shankar.
Okay, sure. Now, do a PWD once again. Now, uh, do a LS so that we just see whether you have a EC2 cloud term. Okay. Do a mkdir dash p EC2 dash cloud dash term. No, 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 remove that. Remove the double quotes. It is not required. AC2 hyphen cloud dash com. Tom, sorry. Okay, cloud Tom, correct. Go inside the folder. Uh, do a cp hyphen r star. Sorry. Yeah, correct. Go that way. Otherwise, you can use one double dot, one double dot slash all docs DevOps. Yeah, Docker cube slash no EC2 dash cloud tom. Yeah, star space dot. Do ls hyphen al, otherwise ls hyphen al. So you are missing .git ignore file. That is also not required now. You can just quickly use only whatever configuration that is required to run Terraform. You have amazon.tf and ubuntu.tf, right? All of you just make sure move ubuntu.tf to ubuntu.tf.back. Hope all of you have done it. Sindhu, Zafi, Shweta, Vidya, please confirm.
Shankar, if I'm not able to go with the tab, it means that I have not cloned it, is it? Am I right?
No, no,
Uh,
no. It will be because of multiple other folders which are having a similar name. You can share your screen, Vidya.
okay. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, yes, it is visible. Yes. All docs, DevOps, correct. Good.
Docker Cube, EC2.
EC2
If I give, no,
hyphen,
it's not.
EC2 hyphen.
No, it's not actually.
I think this thing is not done properly. Git pull is not properly. Do a control A, do a control A, hash,
Okay.
hash and enter. Hash, enter. So that you can reuse this command. If you do a control C, it will not be registered. Okay, do one thing, cd dot slash all docs DevOps. All, yeah. Enter
Should I need to
pw.
go, should I need to go inside and do git pull, is it?
No, yeah, correct. Now just enter, do a pwd once. So just wanted to understand whether you are in the right directory, you have other multiple directories. Okay, fine, absolutely fine. You can do a git pull. Only if the git pull fails, you have to do the other one. But I think yours is done again properly. You just use up arrow once again and see everything is up to date. In order to make sure whether your git pull is completed, you have to run it twice.
Okay. Oh, in order to see it's up to date, it will say. Okay.
Correct, correct. See, that is a confirmation that your repo is up to date. Your repo has the latest. Yeah.
Got it.
Now you can do a control R. Okay, fine.
No, no,
Now
but I need to go to that folder now.
correct. You need to go to the other folder. CD dash should work for you. Yeah. So CD hyphen or dash will take you to the older folder. I mean the previous folder in which you are working.
Okay.
Okay. Now control R CP. Okay. Otherwise you can use just up arrow. Simply like that also.
Or CP.
Control R CP.
Okay.
Yeah. So you just press right arrow and then go to the end. No. I think you pressed the down arrow. C. Do a,
Okay.
it's okay. Do one thing. Do a control C first for now. Control C, control R, CP, right arrow, right arrow. Uh, just go all the way to the right. Yeah, correct. Star space dot. Correct. So you have everything now. Just move ubuntu.tf to ubuntu.tf dot back. Correct. Can you open main.tf to understand what the profile it contains? See, if you look at line number 9 or 10, right? You can see that under the provider section, you have a profile code cloud, right? Can you highlight that? Vidya, can you highlight? Yeah, right. So that is what exactly it refers to in the profile section. When you run a Terraform plan apply, all the Terraform. Hope it is clear to everyone for now. Is it fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One of you should not be using this profile, and you should change the instance type to t2.micro, because I mean at the same time you cannot create more than 4 instances. Sindhu, you can try changing your instance type
Okay, sir.
in the variables.tf. Vidya, can you just quickly open the variables.tf and show what is the instance type for you? You can close this file, open vi space variables.tf. You can see the default is t3.medium, right? So Sindhu, you change it to t3.micro and change the profile to default
Okay, sir.
so that you are able to run it against your cloud account, AWS cloud account. Others continue doing whatever is available except the ubuntu.tf. Okay, just close this file and then just do a /deploy.sh. Once everybody starts runs a /deploy.sh, we can observe whether the instance is getting created. Then we'll go on to the, okay, now you have a problem of clashing key. You have to change the key name. That's another problem. Okay, do one thing. one of you just quickly run this. Soumya, do one thing. You run this first.
Sir, I give iron.deploy.sh, sir.
Okay. Is it going through successfully?
I got stuck, sir. Yes, sir, it's going successfully.
Okay. Others, what you're supposed to do is I'll tell you. You're supposed to change a key name so that key is created freshly for you and security group is created freshly for you. Vidya, you can open main.tf. Vidya, you're busy with something?
Shall I stop sharing my screen if it takes time?
Screen. Shweta, you
The EC2 instance created successfully, sir.
okay. You can hold on for some time. I'll just go with Shweta for now.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Shweta, if you're able to share your screen quickly, you can share. Otherwise, anyone else who is ready to.
Sir, I just share my screen.
Uh, okay. Can you? Who is sharing a screen?
Sure.
Okay, Shweta, right? Okay, can you go to Git Bash?
Yes.
Can you increase the size of your terminal? Drag it up a little bit at this side, right side, left side, and make it a little bigger. Otherwise, you can set the screen size also. Right click and then go to settings, go to options. No. Double click once again.
Sir, I'm clicking, sir, but it is not working. Thanks.
Okay. How can you have this problem? Code-cloud. Okay. Everything is fine. Credentials. See, you typed it. That is why you are having a problem. Use up arrow. Remove up to CRE. Up to CRE. Remove it. Dot AWS cat space tilt slash dot AWS slash CR tab. CR and tab.
Enter, sir.
Enter.
Okay, sir.
So you will see code cloud and default. Do a PWD where you are. I mean, have you copied the repository to your local machine?
No, sir. You have to only have no, sir.
Zafi, can you share your screen?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Search for slash. Search for key. Yeah. So it is my underscore key, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What you do is um, colon G, escape colon G, escape first, escape colon G, G for global slash my underscore key, my underscore key slash S for string, S double slash. No. Af After S you have to put a double slash. Before that only one slash. One slash. S double slash. There are other ways to do it also. This is the command that I am comfortable doing it. You can say ZF underscore key, ZF, Zafi. Shortcut I'm saying ZF underscore key slash G. So it'll automatically replace the key value, key name. Enter. Just enter. It'll say how many times it is replaced also. Just enter. Yeah. 5 substitutions, right? In 5 lines. Okay. Similarly, just use the colon up arrow. Just put a colon up arrow. Use up arrow. Yeah. Just remove my underscore key and then put SSH underscore sec dash group. That you just need to double click and right click. Okay, dash group. And instead of key in the second one, ZF underscore key, right? The ZF underscore sec underscore group like that. Sec dash group. Yeah. GRP. So that it gets replaced for your name. Okay, wherever it is there, it is replaced. Do a colon WQ. Colon WQ. Just search for grub space, um, grub space, my underscore key, space star. If it is there, that key name also you should change it now. There is no other, no this thing, right? Only the readme.txt has this. That is not required. That doesn't require a change. That is just an example. Now you can do a graph for the security group. Use up arrow. Use up arrow instead of my underscore key. SEC and dash group. SEC, okay, SH underscore SEC dash group. GRP. Yeah. If it is already there, that place you have to change. That is in the back.tf and ubuntu.tf you have to change it now. Go to sorry, amazon.tf. Go to amazon.tf. Yeah, enter colon. Just put a colon, up arrow. It'll automatically populate for you. The same thing. One more. Yeah, now enter. Enter. You got it, right? It has changed. So like that, you can do multiple changes in multiple files. Here we are referring key name as AWS underscore key pair dot key name. That's why it doesn't require a change. If you look at the key underscore name, right? You don't have to. Why did you go to insert mode? Escape. Escape. Uh, colon WQ. Yes. So do one thing. I'll be away for 10 to 15 minutes. Just make sure everybody is able to create the AWS instance. Ubuntu.tf doesn't require any change.
Okay.
It is a dot back, right? Not .tf file. So what you do is just run a /deploy.sh and then make sure your instance is created. Similarly, you just guide other people like Sindhu, Shweta, and Vidya. If you have any problem, just make sure just collaborate with them.
Sure. Sure.
I'll be away for 10 to 15 minutes. I'll be back and then I'll check with you what is the status. For now, I'll just stop the recording. Is it okay or should I continue recording?
No, it's okay.
You can unrecord, sir. No need for recording, right?
That's what I'm saying. Okay, sure.